Well, hello everyone. Right now, this is the 2007 Volvo XC90 3.2. Got headlights, fog lights with your headlight washers. Got a sunroof right here with roof rails. Right here is your gas cap. Make sure the vehicle is unlocked. Right here is your key. Got lock, unlock. This button right here turns on your lights. Got your trunk release and panic. Go ahead and get in this one. Has 133,000 miles on it. Over here is your window controls, mirror controls, lock and unlock, and window lock. Right here is your headlight controls. Right here is your gauge dimmer control. Got your fuel release. Got fog lights. Right here is your parking brake release. To activate it, just press on this one right here, and then to release it, just pull on this. There you go. And got your OBD, basically your fuel, your fuse box right here. Over here, got your controller, where you can view the basic stuff right here. Mile per hour, average speed, miles per gallon, all of that. Oh, here's your wiper controls. Got cruise control, radio controls. Got a speaker right there with hazards, 2 air vents. Right here's your entertainment system, your radio system.
To go to a COVID prevention class so that they can gain a better understanding.
Very nice audio system. Over here, got some storage with a CD changer. Got your climate control. You can adjust the fan speed right here. Right here is your temperature, different zones, heated seats, front defrost, rear defrost. Got rear AC with a 12-volt power outlet. Right here is the shifter. Two couplers with AUX. Storage. Garage home link. Got a sunroof right here. Got a wind deflector that pops out. go ahead and get out this one. Turn on your headlights, fog lights, and pop out the hood. Got an air vent right here. Got a power outlet with a storage. 2 cup holders. Right here is your rear entertainment system, which this is the DVD player where you can put CDs in there for the rear entertainment system. Got storage right here. Right here, got a 3rd row seat. Got cup holders and some storage. Same as over there. Right there is where you can control your fan speed for the rear AC. Everything falls through. Got a passenger power seat. Got your owner's manual and other literature. Volvo 3.2 liter. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.